This question is asking, if the below statement is true, then which other statement must also be true? Well, what we know about conditional statements is that if I have a conditional statement, if P then Q, then it's contrapositive if I take the two pieces and flip them and put nots in front of them. If not Q, then not P. I know that's always true. So if I can find which one of these four statements is the contrapositive, that will be my answer. So the first thing I do is figure out what P and Q are. If something is a right triangle, if P, then the Pythagorean theorem holds for that triangle, then Q. Now we can go through each of these statements and figure out which one is the contrapositive. If the Pythagorean theorem does not hold for a triangle, if not Q, then the triangle is a right triangle, then P. So there's not a not there, so it's not the contrapositive, so no. If the Pythagorean theorem holds true for a triangle, if Q, then the triangle is a right triangle, then P. So in this one we flipped them but didn't put the knots on it, so that's not the contrapositive, that's not right either. If the Pythagorean theorem holds for a triangle, if Q, then the triangle is not a right triangle, then not P. So again, it's not if not Q, it's just if Q, so the answer is no. But now let's look at B. If the Pythagorean theorem does not hold for a triangle, if not Q, then the triangle is not a right triangle, then not P. So we took these two statements and we flipped them and put knots in front of them. So instead of if P then Q, it's if not Q then not P. So that is the contrapositive, and the answer is B.